language and integration project. And during the day you'll have the chance to go to the workshops showcasing different aspects of the work that we've been doing and hearing from learners, volunteers and the project team. And there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to share your ideas and experience about what makes a good ESOL project too. So there'll be plenty of conversation going on. So the story of CLIP. Once upon a time, in 2019, we'd already run several successful EU-funded projects. So we decided at LU to approach the UK RA. We're in a position to provide additional funding. So we successfully applied for a project specifically to support families from Afghanistan. We had workshops and ESOL classes in hotels in London and the Southeast. And we also had some...
The clients are waiting on me. Before I didn't know how to read, I didn't know how to write my name, my children's name, I didn't know how to do this. So now I know how to start in my life, how to read, how to speak English.
So Henry Fawcett Children's Centre and the Salvation Army in Camberwell. And we really wanted to keep those relationships going. But also because we recognised that there was a real need for ESOL with childcare. So during the pandemic, a lot of our learners had been struggling to juggle looking after young, built relationships, and really critically became aware of their ability to be heard and to make change. So I'm gonna stop there.
And it's so, it's just really, sorry to use the word again, interesting, fascinating, hearing what people have to say. And I feel like many of them are now my friends. Like Amir, who you saw there, he and I started about the same time. I hadn't seen him for quite some time.
And capacity to act. Those of us who work in the ESOL sector know that our students, migrants with lower levels of English, are disproportionately impacted by inequalities. Low pay, poor housing, hostile immigration system.
One-on-one. And then I incorporated some of the language that she was using to describe a situation like feeling desperate into some teaching materials that we then used.